Yes, this is a chapter about a little boy Nelson Mandela who struggled to fight to fight for getting freedom. A country childhood. Some people are treated unfairly because of their skin color, race, caste, or religion. Do you think this is right? Write a sentence on what you think about this. What do you think about this? If a child comes to your school who looks or sound different from you, for example, has a different skin color or a different accent, a different pronunciation, how would you behave? How would you behave? Means you circled, how would you behave अगर आपके स्कूल में कोई different color, different sound का और different caste का कोई student आ जाता है, तो how would you behave like with this, with that child? So this is your activity. You have to do yourself. Nelson Mandela fought the unjust system of apartheid. Apartheid, apartheid is means separation from black people and white people in South Africa. He was the first black president of South Africa. After a long struggle, the original inhabitants won the right to rule themselves. Nelson Mandela became the first African president of the nation. Read the excerpt, read this part from his biography. My mother presided over, managed over 3 huts at Kunu. Kunu is the name of the place. As I remember, these were always filled with the babies and the children of my relatives. In fact, I hardly recall any moment as a child when I was alone. In African culture, the sons and daughters of one's aunt or uncles are brother and sister, not cousins. They are all brothers and sisters, not cousins. We have no half brothers and half sister, or aunts or uncles. My mother's sister is my mother. My uncle's son is my brother. My brother's child is my son. So, of my mother's 3 huts, one was used for cooking, one for sleeping, and one for storage. Means my mother has 3 huts. There are a big family of Nelson Mandela. So big hut. One hut used for cooking, one hut used for sleeping the family members, and one hut used for the storage of the all goods. In the hut in which we slept, there was no furniture in the proper sense. We slept on mats and sat on ground. I did not discover pillows until much later. My mother cooked food in a 3-legged iron pot. 3-legged iron pot, it means stove. Over an open fire in the center of the hut or outside. Everything we ate, we grew and made ourselves. Means we grew in his field and eat it. From an early age, I spent most of my free time in the veld. Veld means open grassland. Veld, open grassland. That is the meaning there. Open grassland in South Africa, veld. Playing and fighting with the other boys of the place. At night, I shared my food and blanket with these same boys. I was no more than 5. Means I am only 5 years old at that time when I started looking after sheep and calves in the fields. Calves, baby cow. Calves is the baby of cow. Fields, I learned to gather wild honey. I learned to collect wild honey from the forest. Fruits and edible roots. Edible roots means which is used to be eat. Roots. I could swim in the clear. Clear means small river. Cold streams. Stream means small river. And catch fish with strong thread and sharpened bits of wire. I also learned to Thick fight, stick fight, fighting with sticks. I learned to love the world. I learned to love the green grassland, the open spaces, the simple beauties of nature, the clean line of the horizon. Clean line of horizon means a line where the land and the sky seem to meet. Means clean line of horizon. As boys, we were mostly left to ourselves. We played with toys that we made ourselves. We played with the toys that we made ourselves with the clay. We made animals and birds out of clay. We made the animals or bird from clay, means soil, mitti. We made ox drawn sledges. Sledges means carts without wheels. Carts without wheel means like a block cart. Out of tree branches, nature was our playground. Nature was our playground. We sat on flat stone and slid down the faces of the large rocks. We did this until our backsides were so sore we could hardly sit down. I learned to ride atop calves. Atop calves means on the calves, on the baby cow. After being thrown to the ground several times, one got the hang of it. One learned it by trying again and again. When Nelson Mandela grew up, he became the leader of the African people. He was a loving people who made friends wherever he went. His one-time assistant, Jesus Durete, relates these incidents about him. His one-time assistant helper, one-time helper, Jesus Durete. Jesus Durete is the name of the helper. These incident relates about. He always made his own bed, no matter where we traveled. I remember we were once in China in a luxury hotel and I said to him, please don't make your own bed because it against Chinese hospitality. Chinese hospitality means welcoming behavior towards guests. It was against the Chinese welcoming. He said, call the ladies who clean the room. When they came, he explained to them that he always made his own bed. They should not feel insulted. He didn't ever want to hurt people's feelings. Here is an incident told by Richard Stanley, who worked with Mandela on his autobiography. It happened on an aeroplane trip in Natal in South Africa. Means this is an incident of the aeroplane. As soon as Mandela boarded the aeroplane, जैसे ही उसमें चढ़े, boarded means to ride up. चढ़े उसमें aeroplane में, he picked up a newspaper and read everything in it. I was sitting right across him and he pointed out of the window. I saw to my horror that the propeller had stopped working. Propeller means the fan of the aeroplane. Propeller had stopped working. He said calmly, Richard, calmly means silently. He said silently, Richard, would you like to inform the pilot that the propeller isn't working? I walked to the front of the plane and found that the pilot was well aware of it. He asked me to go back to my seat and sit down. They had called the airport and the ambulances were there. I went back and told Mandela that. He just listened and said yes. The plane landed without any trouble. Nelson remained calm throughout the trip. He never changed his expression. As we came out of the airport, जैसे ही हम airport से बाहर आए, he said, I was really scared up there. Then I realized that this is what courage is all about. Courage is not about not about not being scared. Courage is the meaning. According to Mandela, courage meaning is not being scared. Courage is being terrified and not showing it. I got courage by looking at him because he was pretending. He was pretending not to be scared, not to be afraid. And that's what he did his own life. That is what made him so great. So that is what he made a great leader of South Africa. Nelson Mandela won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. He died at his home in Johannesburg in December 2013. So that is the life story of Nelson Mandela.